Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
And you have a lot of bad business 2 years ago. Because we show if you have prefer a yak, yes, it's a pillow. Huh? Yes, it's a pillow of tomato. I will not matter. I will be a certificate. Where's it? Where will I be care? Huh? And the woman what do we away? What about common glory? What about celebrating? We can't tell the note the way. A free money. All they celebrate what you fair. All they celebrate what.
Thank you very much.
When it's time, okay, I shall not demand the bet. It's very painful. After matter. How many months can I get home? On which area will we have 15 years?
Même pas durer, on va continuer. Même pas durer, on va continuer. Thank you very much.
My brother said that cat number said
all right, man. Yeah, I'm not going to that anymore. That's very important. All right. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah, more speaker.
Okay. Away. Uregbe. Agboju ure. Uwa. Agi yuguzogie. Uregbe ya yuguzogie. Then who are ya? Awe police ayamu. So not maro no de na kwe. That's the only message you have anywhere. Because a man never why oh boy Odessi, a man who as an hero. This is second hero we have in Benin. In Benin kingdom that just passed away. So keep on moving, my brother. Keep on saying your truth as the man said. Don't even listen to any side talk. Now, this your platform is going higher by the day. People think that they want to bring you down. No. A platform when I is already. A platform when that is no go large. Because of man, the truth is bitter. So
exactly.
Everyone must pay when the time comes. So exactly. That is just the thing.
Thank you very
Keep
much.
on, my brother. God bless you.
Yeah,
bye.
All right. Hello. Oh yeah, fire down. Don't speak up.
You see, one thing I want to talk. You see that brother when he died that day, the message when he dropped for you. A very good message.
Yeah.
And these people, they want that they rejoice. You know why they rejoice? They don't want to make the message go far.
Yeah.
They use that tactics. They put the thing on head. They say, now the matter when they talk, now they can't die. Now that one, they insist they talk. They know they talk about the message when the guy deliver. And the message when the guy deliver for your place because you know, say, now your platform that they talk truth. You understand?
Yeah.
Now make the guy come talk. Before person they die, the guy had already died. He don't die since morning. But now message he can't deliver for you. So Frank, may you hold that message well. No matter that they talk say now you kill now your platform for that. Now all na tactics. You understand? Now tactics, don't give up.
Exactly.
Deliver the message.
Thank you very much.
You understand?
Thank you very
so
much.
Take care.
Thank you very much. Yes. The one on the way to this man with that, so his own junior brother, wife for here, for this Germany. I want to play the voice record. Where you send come for me. Because yesterday the call was too much. I don't got a pick call. Okay, let me pick this call first. Hello. What up, best? I don't know, sir.
I greet you
on the speaker. So.
My brother,
so.
Because the platform you were now,
Exactly.
You understand? Yeah. I'm surprised when we go here now when we do not tell
exactly.
It is so embarrassing that yeah, when we went to your body wood, maybe they not your body wood. Monica because Monica may or ya Pashabu. It when we get what when you are arrested. Monica. Your real name, Monica, is Loved actually Edokolo. Enoki, you are not Enoki. Your name is Richard Osadiaye. I pity for people like you, boy, who human mama. Mata human, who you going alamanari, alama emationae, social media alama. Do what they said. If don't go dance the dance of Srugede, the dance of Srugede and dance for the spirit. More of Mona live alone. That man dropped a message, a very strong message. Somebody that has sense, that has spiritual eyes. We understand that guy dying during that conversation or is called to this platform is a lesson to most of us. He's coming to tell us that people on this social platform should continue to stand by the truth and nothing but the truth. Okay? Yeah. So those of you that were robbing father, Monica, if you boy, put it your humanitarian respect, okay, boy, but when what do not for like so, we see who you must when you are all the way are who every set because we build around it. But we are woman who are with who. This time I am now act for so where two people came out, you started to believe. That's to it's very, very poor. It's a poor behavior, it's childish, and it's very devilish. Remember, you will continue to stand by the truth because the truth is what that our brother pastor is. He said, continue to say the truth, and the people on your platform, they are truthful people. So we will follow, we will continue to grow this your platform. Nothing they happen. People thought you get a video enough or a white boy or you have none of Polibewa for no way in platform now. What we know you are, we are looking when at you looking. What I always says,
no, you are the
They are so disappointed in people like Monica. If you know, like all those said of you, where they la balaba panty you want a video when you are or why you come from a bed, you say it does the are you okay? Oh, you for we also very useless set of people. My brother, this is a message you go need you talk. It has nothing. You are not the cause of the guy's death. The guy has got his own amen before. You know, it's just a coincidence, you know. And the God you serve will always vindicate you. So I wish you all the best. And this platform, especially we're talking on there, they will see you growing higher and higher. But like I said, they cannot get to where you are. That's what I want to. That's what I want to say. God bless you, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Bless you, bro. Thank you very much. Yeah. Always what we don't so win. Hey, Mr. Attitude. Okay. Always what we don't so win. So we don't. Jay, this is my brother. Finish me. Jay. Now let's play. They can play the audio.
Hello, bros. Good evening. I've been nervous. I mean, they try, they call you, you know, they pick. Because now about the video way that they do, and they watch you for YouTube, you understand? About that bros way late. Because the way everybody else they talk about her, and they don't know her rich, as they don't know the kind.
Hello.
What's up, babe? You don't want to. Oh, I see. Yeah. No, we are track it.
No, we are track it. Oh, yeah, go rest in peace. Ola, no, we are the super. A family of the boy any oh yeah, you know your boy anywhere. Osaloba you were here.
Vamos a. All right, sir. Thank you very much, sir. All right. Let's play our audio.
Hello, bros. Good evening. I've been nervous. I mean, they try, they call you, you know, they pick. Because now about the video way that they do, and they watch you for YouTube, you understand, about that bros way late. Because what everybody all they talk about her, and they don't know her rich as they don't know the campus way it be, they all they talk everything about her. You understand? Because that bros way late, so may so rest in perfect peace. Then my husband elder brother, I be that bros. You understand? And they all they call him choir master, choir master. We don't even know say the choir master whether they take the shot for you to say na him. Then no son I be real name. No son I be real name. You understand? What it did not police so because the thing it really surprised us yesterday evening saying that so it happen. You understand? So that's how they try to they call you. I listen to the record where it played there. We listen to everything. Hey, you they measure people before the cough all out. And then because you not fair way, you not fair they okay. You know they okay. They sick. You understand? But the way people you say carry the issue, like say they know they cause they do this one, they do the other. I bet me they take her easy. Nobody perfect. May they take her easy. I beg. That's why they call you before me I contribute because the thing really they boil us. The way they take carry the thing that show media. They talk about the bros. And the thing really they boil us because not be so it be. You understand?
Yes, so my people, I've reached my better style. I took another here from the woman. This woman with us on the man with that on junior, his husband, and the junior brother of this that man with that, and his wife with this one. And they talk so. And find everything possible. And pick at it. Hello?
Mama.
The new generation prophet, I did live video.
Is that live video?
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Take everything. Urwini agbeni, urwini. Here very soon. Here no good winning. You know what? Paga achieve a detectani or Italian or to check with. Only may get a work when it come with what the case is more. We had the body baba. Only want to see any wuna. Having be a gatana. Make yourself here before we look very kind. We have to fight the truth. The truth are set up for my
exactly. That was the message.
That was the message.
Yes. And we'll keep saying the truth. Of one who went to but equal no I'm at Bona. Exactly. This time around, what against it be a old cargo. Old cargo. I'm going on we are. Old cargo walawa. I mean, old cargo na yeli zubiri kpala. Yes, now. Okay.
And the sick people, if you watch a video, no, we know the first video, no one watch it very well. Oh, no, I agree with mistake no make as almost like him. Oh, turn or not the Bible. I will be done of very belly like yeah. Or we had to watch it common in me. A German or what in you know at in a women of your one boy is so it did done. It never but I at this strategy way, do what you are doing.
You know me now. You know I'm unshakable, untouchable, untouchable. I also love by him. I agree to you. No matter stand. Why do not? It is something. Madonna, menu Madonna. Here this gone one day until you put change from your evil way. I will did that you want. Let's show me that. I will if they you Basani Wale Bonozio Polly Wawu, Waru, he didn't know why social media. Don't worry of you. Yeah, it's a discount one wa merely wale. But people change from your evil ways. But I will say one another, why are we for 2000? I will not want. Why I will say one another, why are we for 2000? Didn't want Bawa. I'm going to have Bawa social media. I'm done. I'm done. Only busy. Et bien, soit son dans la société, mais il vient. Fire down.
Baba with the smell.
What?
Baba with the smell.
What?
Obafa.
Fire down.
Come. Then, Jennifer Abbas, we block a comment.
He block anything. He block me. Block you no. I block you anything. He block you anything.
Anybody in me, you have to block you.
Yes. Ale GPC kwa revin wa yare ya ku wa we en man na wo re do ri kan aro wi ko so gon han yo gun han igbe na no gbe lu wa ya ale GPC ko ni wo wa bi lo gon ya gbe lu wa ya then o dere o sa we men so we nwe but away ya ka lo we ya banu nya be na sa we men so we nwe. Hello.
Yes, I don't remember now. The way they with tea. Now, since my anyway 11 now, I have been when I we are. We put in here. Monica. What address already? Me I can get Beleta Ambrose Ajala. No name Monica. When you answer, when you want to get DNA, me I came and send you what then I have DNA. The DNA or when Onagba, Onadi, you see, your good way, I will give her another 500 euro. Onaga will come Bruce or Pierre, table, another 500 euro. You understand? If one need anything from Monica, we don't with DNA, not get compare. So that all other pada, when you have a ship container pada gear, or a T40 or a pada T40. No meaning.
Yes.
Or don't get say. Little body was in here, or anywhere as no we are okay talk we are no one other me away. You got every year, what do you expect? The papa no yes you are. Okay, we always papa yes you and so what do you expect anything good from that woman love it atuari edokolo na kwabe you are is a fair wow idiot no mama no why no owie woman edowo we wari owie woda
saga continue or set it now bye now
ula gogo when am go saga we you I mean, when no remember where we one day is one day. Everybody, death is a death that we owe. We are not God. So, but for them to come out like that, Lawa kame, oye mi aso live video meme. Wabi technique so many came on fire. Who say that Monica na wabe ye wa o de ye kwa maso. Because she's the leader of all this set of people who are in her. I'm sure where you might watch her or young, they all may always with the pattern of it.
You know,
can you imagine? As a Gamia waking in as a notide, all your fool. Or the no mere with your over a kitchen or remote or too much gala. Now, what idiot people, idiot fellow. But when I went at your body, I was an antibody, and somebody died, and you are with us. What are you going to gain? The guy left a message. Monica told the truth. Go tell your husband. If although that one not be your husband, because you marry that's what I know. Because don't worry, you worry. I said the area you are. So since I Bruce or they trap with it, we want control. We are hit up with one arrow, but they want to move here. They take work. Don't be no. They'll be when you want anywhere, as long as Monica has started this level, Papa Wala will continue to flaunt on social media. Papa Wala not be God. Because I the first as I day when I'm not vessel, not people like the vessel, that people like Monica and the people not the vessel. I all by I greet you, brother.
Listen. Yes, my people. Oh, Sagalare Yagbe. Monica Yegbe. Yegbe no ladian. Baba wo dey smile oro we we. all this go away for how many months now. When the reason why the money come on me meta, ogbogbonu no, no ne. You they come out now, you they insult Yuri, you they saga Yuri. You know the reason why you feel this saga Yuri because you me yagi Yuri. Yes, so me yagi Yuri, me yagi gini Yuri yagi Yuri, or be ya saga Yuri. Well, I don't do saga umenmwan. All the investigation were you for the past 6 months, I mean 7 months now. Well, man, yet get anything clear about umenmwan or the saga umenmwan. There are more of the avian on my white way. Kuweke autonomy at this after most frustration whatever day you are with. Then you are Bonola. Let's go there. Alone. Agree to what? The more speaker. Of course. We are now. I'm speaker. Exactly. Exactly.
Then, when I last year, when I do family connect by a master, it's not about telling you go, mammy, mammy go, go, what is the state? When I do family connect by a master, when you know, when you know, so I will that boy,
You go.
Because we go here, we go, because alright, that's never said you go here, always be like here. And mommy generally here, one is said, you not one is banana. I want to be like here. So you have one go area no. Okay, now a minute y'all here, so can you get me back? No, someone let's go give you up to now for the name and people. Just here for you went to Morocco. Never be a Morocco in Morocco. If you made the net up with me. What? Then no money can roll. Who get it? Mommy, don't make you go. So, who they got trouble? Now, so when you get one, now, so when it's when I was here, when you're better on Waka, and you're better on Western Mara and Monjuri. Then, one already, you don't have Nigeria. No, I'm going, mommy going, mommy going, give me go, either I will move here in Nigeria, almost 3 months plus 80. You shake. Yeah, mommy go ahead, right? Who is for? Oh, yeah, who kept it? Wait, oh, yeah, when they have a queen, wait, the father, then you have to queen, wait.
Oh, yeah.
When I'm like, who now get it for your master? They exactly what? Why you have music? When nobody gets for your master,
Jesus.
when nobody gets for your master, when now do not like here.
Madam, sorry. Point of correction. In here, the platform umenmwan is also a way to win. What you don't know? Correct.
Virginia la wepo. Unajua kuna mswali Morocco. Wale watu waliona. Wao we get for your master. So what? What for your master? All master wo. Kaya mimi ni na le msada la gana ya pe. Hiyo ngene ngene tuweke. Wow. Monica, jana play. Tuwaje. Michelle make you go. Never papa the very time of it out. Oh, you have done it today. That's it for the cake for the all now over you swallow. And the mom Michelle master one.
Thank you, ma. Okay. First lady was Ola. Let's speak first lady talk. Oh, hold on. Okay. Hold on. Let's speak first lady. The okay, Murphy. Yes, I talk, babe.
Hello.
What?
Papa with this man.
I just do my drink. I want you.
Oh, no, man, we're not God. He's talking through, speaking through, and talking through.
Off with me. Off with me. That's a goodie woman. And I could not get goodie. When I can't, that's a goodie wedding. But that's a goodie wedding. Off with me.
My first lady one, go to my Instagram.
Yes.
Socken sweets. Why I get good in America?
Only socken sweets. Socken nigerian.
So all are pure gold, 18 karat. So why if you don't like, you can send it to me in my inbox, or you send it to umenmwan, or you forward the ego, man.
Yeah.
No, why I thought why I mostly.
So.
If you know you make a tear pan, umenmwan I don't tear man will be. And then I know what to know I may what tear pan. A man I know una. The Monica not walk be pada. Umaela mofo. Monica, Hoka Prusikana. Obiano we are Tirai, Vagenirau.
Atuari. Dok bolo.
Oviedo Polo. Hey, Kupona, now what you are. Oma who and a woman now got woman there for long. When I don't know with Pada, I don't know to work. Upona ni mawayena 2021 na maefo. Umaye the 2021 na yaka before na December when I gioma una po Pada una woma hujene we to tell Where Monica. You get to social media na woman we content mo wa mo waria mo ku lo wo your body abie no a utele ya mana to solatia. We are for go ma wu de no wo po mani eti ene keka wonu ya unana apa morire etu ye ti kan igbafu. Well, so we jepo egbe bolu e owie lo egbe bolu ni apo owie lo kian leke the football team no religion aye le po e jepo ati TikTok ya egbe po na kaya mu World Cup na me mu ne e football ati ya na me mu ni ya o ta gbona igwe fit the baya na disgrace of the wedding. I've said it in a live video yesterday. In a bani ana mu we ko to then ya mu ga ni no ritali ko to o ya pepo with a oga na match o ya pepo na mi no we fit e ona ya gi owe when era when o ma era ipina na te we fit e ro ki na tene jepo no be wedding. And we say my the social media na e ku pe mo ikyo ku na tore. Exactly. Because of when I get when we are here, ATM now when we are here, DNA test. Now when we are here, also what that, all my real time, and also when I was bad any. I need to go to show, do not sell a casual.
Akure, Ologbo Johnson.
Do not sell a casual. Who's not Italy veteran? Who will take common playlist, the Bandisi, who know I equal your pants. When you see men in sin or all, you know what you are a pet. At what fear pet when at what tone.
Oh, Lobo.
At what tone, ne hotel wamu, near to party. I owe ye pet now, one of them just string parts. My name is hotel. A Facebook on a catalea. There we are waiting. Then we are here.
Oh, well.
Ekwe ken yawe.
Salubwa.
Ukwe mate ta. Ekwe ken yawe. Because the boy gets 20 years. Who pop your pier na ya on ya boy. Because the boy is going to a plus of bien. Eko we ma on we na. Eka de marina wa ten we. The owner where yonya. We to bu we better we go kiame.
Bam, tani.
Ukate we go kiame. We van your para sopo. Eke puruna sa lo jouer. We are closet now. We may no ye. Ekwe mugwe, erubi ayawe, and ekwe rubi ayawe. Ekwe, ewe kan yawe. Because when they want to come miss Nyana, I don't know what teve yo mekbe. If yet is so shall be o povie yo mo. Yet yawe, yo pito yawe plot test no vive. Ni ati no se o sege no vive. Ni pas de mini yo mekberi.
Exactly.
Ou bien mais en pas quand piavo, ou ma ti no sege no rani. Nous chene o ya fefe. O ta ko tie ba we, una eti we ye fa mountain. When I eti kele we Monica, I will dash you set of gold. And me of a pendant. Who said that if you're able? When I eti one am ye, o go pa no ku we wani. No nya money. Me a set of gold ki we. More time. It's okay. All time.
The social media wife. The social media president wife. You are not doing anything. Oh, we have to do good.
Okay, we want to go back.
Okay.
I have been a letter to you. I have some more in the court. What's your Latin? When no one to our okay, then I get it that way. I can't do for what is or don't tell Latin. When I go away, I go with a DNA. I'm a logo now.
Okay.
I never listen. I better 30 minutes, River. I better 30 minutes. On a year, we have to get the social media. Who go your mobile, you take a presenter, and who are Yasun.
Exactly.
And who went, okay, the way I grow a page. You cannot stop it all. I've told you yesterday. It can't transform a part. You know, what is stop it? No, you never give up what we are about here for one way for all Ladiamogan. Oh, you're not the shame. You will go for this. Let them make you go to DNA. Shame not let you go to one. You know, yeah, okay, now when Ariana, it can't know then. You go with DNA. Una stick a war way. One paper, one way social media way. And we are like you are saying the truth about it. Then you will not see go or this one or nobody. See your history or join. The search market yet to put to be back. No way marriage of Mafia or you. Who went on your tell you back? No, your weapon of Bebena. No, your mulatia. Or a mulatia, Talavia, who went on Talo, yo. Then no more social media. No, ye die when I get body guilty. No, ye die, you know where. Then I'm not that on the social media. Because everybody don't shame your shame. Remember where sit down there, you don't shame your shame.
Exactly.
Everybody don't shame your shame. We can't hear you now. I'm gonna get one dry. You know, what you know. No, who was who was it go when I let them back, but I get on who know them. And I work back, and he egg back, and I you won't yell at the what you yell at this way. You're not when all wow for many months now. I get a full say, you know. But today now, I'll go to put the up and down. I'm nearly get it. I'm nearly go away London. Or to put one at the other one. I'm going to hear a poor way or 10 piano. Or 20 away. Or very wow. Or 10 wow.
Magic Bow or Tion.
Oh, we got a London. I want a London. I'm a lot of calculated. A group of Waron and I'm a lot of donate you on it. Near the Laos. 12,000 then we can pass there when you are in mind. I'm not donate not you. But I'll get another. Oh, you're using that yourself. You're in a kiss. You're in that you want.
Yaki 60 billion. Yaki 1 billion. Yeah, I'll Benny. Benny, pay.
No, to yare se ne mare. Umati yare se no visual. No apel mo pe we go mo akon. Evi ya kwe buche ma bota ya kwe chene ma o kwa we kyo wa na tore. Ikyo ipalo uje bi lo tonyo na tore. Monica no ya twari. No we ya twari. No we ni de tin ya twari. Kwa we ko ya fe ni e ba no na tore because o twa mo e pere. O kwe pu pere. O ga pu pe gite. The social media na bori ya fe wa. Wa kwa le presenter wa kwa lo piagu. Wa kwa lo kogu. O ge o kudi e family wa kana so boy Monica. Ah pe o yan we mo umenmwan.
Thank you very much, man. Yes, so my people are good to know better style. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, I greet you.
Hello.
I greet you.
Hey, bros.
How you doing?
You did agree?
Yes.
And is somebody they talk there, the Murphy wife?
You don't talk finish. You don't talk finish. Don't talk finish. With the ear you clear. This speaker.
Make I contribute, bros. Firstly, I extend my condolences to the victim of death, which is that guy when he passed away.
Yeah.
You know, my condolences. Death is inevitable. You know, is a debt that we all own. We must have to pay for. We'll pay for it when the time comes.
Exactly.
So my condolences to that guy there. And thank you a lot, my sister there, Eddie Murphy wife, you know, when he tried to contribute just now. You know, God bless you, sister, for your contribution. So this is my point. You see, it is very, very painful. Say, you know, things are going on like this. You know, whatever a man sowed, he shall reap.
Exactly.
Waiting they go on now. Now, the nemesis, the nuisance, the nonsense seeker, and so many rubbish when GPC, Monica and her crew, where they constitute. So, do we amawe no work have provided all my haru no yagwe. So, please make una help to tell Monica say. Nobody don't forget about that DNA. We all needed that DNA. She's a shameless prostitute, herself and her crew. If you need it to couple with Emily J, those they are member when they belong to GPC. Shame to GPC members. Both the men, I don't care if my father is among GPC, of which I know that my father can never participate or partake. My own father cannot condescend so low. No GPC. Wanik biani run no ya hide under fake account with GPC. Uwa hula ubi uwa. We don't need no my dear brother. They went under GPC. They are under the custody, under the canopy of the frustrated retired Ashawu Okbo, you know. Tell me what such people will fit, what kind of positive thing they will fit actualize. It's very impossible. Shame on you guys that went down, that, you know, bring yourself so low, condescend so low, and participate, you know, under the canopy of GPC while trying to rubbishing, tarnishing, and you know, giving wrong names to the good people of the world. So, still on it, if you will still grant me little time to talk in the next 2 minutes, I think I am really overwhelmed. I am so impressed, giving me this privilege to express what I've got to say.
Thank you.
You know, yes, my dear brother, and those of you watching on the umenmwan's platform, God bless you all. You see, I so much confide in this platform of Frank Victor umenmwan. He's a good man. You know, whatever comes over right here in his platform, they are all genuine. He stand on the fact that, you know, I mean, these people constituting nuisance everywhere about the corner on social media, you know, they must be brought to book. I mean, they must be silent. They must be, you know, I mean, you know, brought to book why they keep silent. So I won't fail to add this to it. You know, I still wish to talk to, because I'm never so tired to talk to GPC member Monica Ivie, which is Yoruba. Any man when he follow Ivie Ogonga Bueu. Do you know why Ogonga Buevi? I said it early this year during the summer, a winter run, before we get to the summer, when you guys came fucking with me, simply because where I try to tell you guys where what people you're doing, you guys are getting on social media, what you are portraying evil, that's how people attack me. I know that miscreant is marrying me, pick out where I keep saying it, but you know, information. I mean, you know, if don't is so powerful that it affects our activities. So if you come, when it's saying they follow up with the wrong information, it is led for you. You also decide to follow. It is also led for you. This is social media. Exactly. Whereby evil, bad, the ugly, they are all social media. It is for you to follow the side you want to follow. But as for me, I hustle. Always participate with the good people on social media and follow the truth. We don't want to go on that dark. We don't want to participate with those people dark. Like if Yoruba, Monica Atuari, Edu Bolo, Monica, I'm telling you, I'm putting it before you. We will never forget, and nobody is going to forget about the DNA. We need your DNA. More DNA when we do present so that at least you should try to change our orientation, our impression we're having towards you. Failing to do that, that is to say where you are guilty of the accused given to you. That is just it.
Thank you very much, bro.
2 years now, for like 2 years now, you feel where Monica. I know some of your members, some of your users, some of your miscreant friends.
We'll lose that caller. Hello? On that caller. Hello? What's up, man? Hi, bros, man.
And the contribution, in addition to what they are paying, is someone you put on little work. That man, when he died, as I reason the word, he give you some points. He pray for your platform to grow. He said, may you continue to say the truth.
Yeah.
That's you understand. Yeah. When he make me call it, I want you to talk to little people. 2 people where I want you to talk to them be Eba, Edimofi, and Ajebo. If Eba, Edimofi, they carry words, and the followers sometimes they carry word high, but you know they finish them. You know they finish them. Wait to make me talk. If Ajebo, we call it Edimofi, that they say, may they forget this matter. Now, you will wait for a village. Now, you hold you love any one. I will hear one of you where you are, you love. And here, why I say matter here.
Okay, God bless you.
The main truth, my Latin, you people don't go far. And if you see most of the people now, those women where they talk, many of them don't get husband. Monica, when they do so, when you start, I see the time when they say if you want 5 bottles where they put the husband, you know, I don't say apples don't take almost 5 bottles, don't cover up for someone, cover up for that one, cover up for another one. Okay. My brother, may God bless you. Don't let anybody consider that they insult you, now the amount that they insult. Just often they say the truth. That man when he died, he make word to you that you should follow the truth. That is the last word he said before he late.
Exactly.
I beg.
God bless you.
I beg in the name of Jesus. Don't wait till they talk. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hello. Yes, so my people are great up now. Better start. God bless all of you and the world until they contribute. Now let's go to the next topic. We will leave all those I hear you are group. Now we have some we have one big problem for this Europe, especially the people in the diaspora. Now there's something they always hear from my Jebomas for social media. And people want to listen, before now, nobody should call now. And after I don't talk, I will tell us more contribute people could have given an opinion. Ajabo is always say, I don't know the person face to face, physically, I don't even know him. I cannot even know his name. My brother, then he go mention your name. After I don't mention your name, you can't give him that. You can't give the title. Now the title, now be the interest on. Now be the interest we get. President and those in the diaspora. You go mention the name. You can't give him. You can't mention the title. President and those in the diaspora. You understand? So, who is the president of Edos in the diaspora? And what are the function of the president of Edos in the diaspora? Do we really have president of Edos in the diaspora? Or they just set of people just look themselves based on the meeting with the DDO, all those looking for women to fraud, looking for women to sleep around with, looking for those they just give themselves title president of the Edo in the diaspora, ambassador Ajebo, ambassador this one, So because we really need to have president Edos in the diaspora. Now, if really we have president of Edos in the diaspora, what are the functions of the president of Edos in the diaspora in the life of Edos in the diaspora all these years? As a president of Edos in the diaspora, you're supposed to be active. If issue arise between the Edos in the diaspora, you as a president, you're supposed to be there to solve the situation at hand, or to channel the issue out on your own platform to the Edos in the diaspora or Edos all over the world to know what is happening. What has happened to these our brothers in so country? What has happened to these our sisters in so country? What has happened to these our brothers in so country? How we can, assist each and everyone. How we can assist one another. That should be the work of the president of the Edos in the diaspora. So the kind of president of Edos in the diaspora that I always hear from the mouth of Arameya OFA, I don't know the function, I don't know the kind of categories of that president of the Edos in the diaspora. And that's the reason why I bring up my number for you people to call. Let us know the president of Edos in the diaspora. Because if we genuinely, sincerely, we have president of Edos in the diaspora, we need to invite him to our platform. He will be here and we are going to question him, ask him some questions. We want to know his name. We want to know his agenda in the life of the Edos in the diaspora. Because if we say president of Edos in the diaspora, it does not mean he's the president of only Germany, only the people in Germany, rather only the people in Italy, or people in France. No, Edos in the diaspora. The diaspora is a large list all over. Both in China, both in France, in Germany, Australia, Canada, America, Asia. You're supposed to be president of the Edos diaspora all over. There are people that have left, all the Edos that have left the home, have left home and went outside the country. You understand? So if we have president of the Edos diaspora and something's happening to some of our brothers here in Europe, the president, your attention is supposed to be needed. The president should be the person that is trustworthy, that everybody will always look onto. When things arise, then president of the Edos can come in and channel the issue out on social media for all the Edos to know what is happening to our people in the diaspora. A lot of our people are dying on a daily basis. Without many Edos don't even know. Without their parents don't even know. Without we don't even know what they're worried about. Without they're not even compensated. Without the families don't even compensated. And we said we have president with the Edos in the diaspora, Mr. What? His name is Mr. Roland. Mr. Roland. You understand? We all have to know how active he is to the Edos in the diaspora. Somebody cannot just come up and say, I'm the president. Do you know the meaning of president of the Edos in the diaspora? Because some people they go school, why some don't go school. Some people don't really know what to be diaspora. Some people know say because you don't buy ticket travel to Europe, you don't be president of the what is diaspora. People think like that, you know. Some people think okay, because I did Germany, you know, we don't get meeting, we get association, what would they? So automatically I am not the president of those in the diaspora. You understand? So those things maybe they might not know, or they might not know the function of the president of those in the diaspora. So we will bring her together, we can educate them, enlighten them on their duty, so that post need to be functional. Roland Ahoy. Okay, Mr. Roland Ahoy. You understand? So I need his number, please. Anybody that have his number, you need to give me his number. We need to invite him to our platform. We are not going to be calling him on voice call. He need to be on screen with us. We can recognize our president in those in the diaspora. He need to be active. Hello. 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 Hello, where you watch me from it? I don't pick your call. Hello. Hello.
On the act of a president of diaspora is the president must have good dignity and professional, and have good integrity. The president must be transparent.
Okay.
The president must promote Edo culture and tradition.
Okay.
The president must promote must be active in welfare check of the Edos in diaspora.
Okay.
Yes, that is one of the key qualities of Edo. That is it's like a father that is looking after the Edos in diaspora. Yes, when they're in trouble, when they're in they should have a forum, they should have a meeting, not forum of Centros.
Yes.
No. Thank you.
Thank you very much, man. God bless you.
Yeah.
Yes, my people. I believe, say, all of man here, the quality, the function of the president of the Edos in the diaspora. And for the past 4 years now, being in Europe, I have never